Maiga yengusanano yendemero yekanisa ya E.L.C.K Lutheran meumuchubo songo asensemo ya State Lodge abwa sebone EKEGAMBERO kiana chabuna obolemo obu no bwekanisa iyo itukolia lero nigo abegeno bekanisa iyo nabo igo abakunde kane bakorogo no mo bishop omone bwekanisa iyo orogongo rwa Southwest Diocese Joseph Moyo nigo bono basabeire na gochene endemero iyo inde chigo chaka gutumika asemeroberio yokurandia enchiri gochakera eike gocha imegetige chigo sori kya gusi nigo bono bagikeirie bari bagokorere kanisa gosori asengencho yendemero iyo na gwakera mbuya mone EKEGAMBERO haso korwa okonacho uko asense yende kubwatakana no botutukanu obore araso muroberio boko bwatoko bokonyi bo Oboene kurwa serikali osha niko bono umwaskofu oyo habodirie serikali inyara ko bage kurigereria na gukora obutukanu obwo muri kitopethuel machini nwarenga sensemeyo robot yorwa senchiro bwikirana
Bono no mweso gocha sabegeno bekanisa ya Lutheran use E.L.C.K imemo chupo songo maiga EKEGAMBERO konacha habuna nsemo yendemero yabwato bututukano egotoka sensemo yenyombenge yobraibu se igose State Lodge imemo chupo songo no bwabo Ritkuria rero nigo mo bishop bwekanisa yo Joseph Moyo araemisa YOGOSABERA ensemeyo imeyegetie kenege chigosori kya gusi.
We were consecrating church ground. It is a ground that we have owned for decades, but there have been people who have been expressing dissatisfaction with our being there, but the court announced itself and very clearly that we are the rightful owners. And actually that's why we're here, and we want to thank our judiciary. We want to thank them 1,000 times for standing with us, and I want to thank our Lord that He was ahead of us, that now we are there rightfully.
Au kwa nekerekio niko bakiri EKEGAMBERO mbia asukuna choko na kwa nebotoiru ekerabara choko sasimere nseme yogo chakire ikegocha.
And let it be clear to those who are actually persecuting the church. These are persecutors of the church, that they have been working against the church, but we are very that we have gained our place, and we thank God for it. Na mara na kesho kutwa na Jumapili sijazo, ninaomba ya kwamba Wakristo wetu wote wawe wakiabudu katika chengo hili ama mahali hapo papia.
Letu ni kuomba kwamba kanisa lipewe heshima, lipewe nafasi ya kuhudumia eneo hili la Kisii. Na Mungu atubariki sote tunapomhudumia Mwenyezi Mungu.
Nakobwatekana no botutukano bwo muroberio bwo Oboene osha nigo Bishop Moyo aborire serikali ko yorogereria sobo ime eriogokora emechanda bananchi babotambe ba GOETERA.
But again, anything human must have its flaws when it starts. I think SHA has not taken off properly, but again we know it has just started. It's a year or 2 years. So I will want on behalf of the church to ask that those who are in charge, and in this case our government, to speed up, because we are seeing them trying. Others have praised it. Others have expressed their dissatisfaction. But anything good also takes time to take over. We want to urge our government ishikirie sana na iende kwa kazi ili watu wasilie.
Poteria Ensoko TV kuregegetie kenege chigosori kya gusi ncheni gonkuru kwa Pethuel Machin.